A constitution is the arrangement of magistrates in a state. A likely impossibility is always preferable to an unconvincing possibility. All human actions have one or more of these 7 causes: chance, nature, compulsions, habit, reason, passion, desire. All human beings, by nature, desire to know. At his best, man is the noblest of all animals. Separated from law and justice, he is the worst. Character may almost be called the most effective means of persuasion. Comedy aims at representing men as worse. Tragedy as better than in actual life. Criticism is something we can avoid easily by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. Democracy is when the indigent, and not the men of property, are the rulers. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Even when laws have been written down, they ought not always to remain unaltered. For what is the best choice? For each individual is the highest it is possible for him to achieve. Friends hold a mirror up to each other, through that mirror they. Good habits formed at youth make all the difference. Happiness is the settling of the soul into its most appropriate spot. He who has never learned to obey cannot be a good commander. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who conquers his enemies. For the hardest victory is over self. I have gained this by philosophy, that I do without being commanded what others do only from fear of the law. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. It is easy to perform a good action, but not easy to acquire a settled habit of performing such actions. It is not enough to win a war. It is more important to organize the peace. It is possible to fail in many ways, while to succeed is possible only in one way. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. It is well to be up before daybreak, for such habits contribute to health, wealth, and wisdom. Man is a goal-seeking animal. His life only has meaning if he is reaching out and striving for his goals.